What up YouTube? I'm in Breakaway looking at this BOGO deal. Buy one, get one. Yes, we have this in real estate too. This house, or should I say like these houses? I'll say this property. This property is comprised of two houses. We have this, the main house, and we have a guest house on the side. I'll go around and I'll show it to you. And it has a pool and it has a little project we're going to do here. And it's so exciting and I'm loving this one, so I want to show it to you. So just remember, this is a 360 video. You can move the angles with your fingertips, and remember that also you should up the quality to 4K so you can enjoy a full resolution of the video. So I'm entering the house, and the main house is 3,200 square feet of size with 3 bedrooms, an office, 2 living room, and the master suite that is kind of a big suite, and there is a little nursery as well, but we're going to do some changes here. So what do we see upon entry? We have here a closet, and on the other side we have an office. Now remember this wall here, because I'm going to talk about it in a moment, and you see there is no windows here. It's kind of closed in, but we're going to break this wall and I'll show you what's on the other side. What else do we see once we enter? We see this big living area, and that's not actually the living room, or maybe it is, depending on how you're going to structure it, but right here is what they were using as the formal dining room, but we are going to make some changes here and I'll discuss about it in a moment. What else do we see? On this side, we have the master suite with 2 separate closets and a nursery. Let's check it out. Closet number 1, closet number 2, and the master's suite looking into the pool and the trees. Can you see this through the camera? I don't know if you can. Well, I'll head out in a moment. On the other side, we have the master bath with a double vanity, the toilet, bath and shower. Everything is original. Eventually they will probably renovate it. And here is the wall I had referred to earlier, this wall here. So this is right now being used as a nursery, but they are actually planning to take this wall down and create a mega office that can be also double as a guest room. So that's kind of neat. What else do we have here? So behind me, I'm not going to go through it, but you have the 2 bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bathroom. So the kids, each of them has an access to their own bathroom. Here you have the powder room, and here you have a 3-car garage. They have 2 trucks. They're kind of a cool family, I'll give them that. They have 2 trucks, so they need the space to put their vehicles. And then here we can take a look at a kitchen, and the kitchen is still a bit original, a bit dated, but they have some plans to do some things here. But the good thing about it, look at this amount of space. So everything is open and the platform is amazing. We can do great things with this layout, and this was one of the best things that got them to buy the house, along with the BOGO thing, along with the other structure. I'm going to refer to it in a moment because I'm actually excited about it. What else are we going to do once we start the renovation? So this carpet is going away. This wall is going away. We're probably going to place a bar here behind me. So we'll have a bar with the dining room and just an open space here overlooking towards the pool and the trees. Going to look great. We have this space behind us with the net. So if you want to host somebody here, it's going to work. And on the other side, we have here the pool, and on the other side, we have the guest house. Let's check it out as well. Are you chilling? I think they are chilling. So this guest house is a fully operational house with a garage, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. It's going to get updated to make it more appealing as an Airbnb. But what we have here the kitchen. Again, a bit dated, but we'll take care of it. We have 1 door. It's hilarious. How many doors do you need in a house? You have 1 door behind me, 1 door there, another door there, 3 doors, like all the exit strategies. You have 2 bedrooms here, and this very unique layout of a bathroom. I don't understand what they have done here, the original owners. What we're going to do with this one, by the way, we're going to gut this. we're going to close one of these doors because there is a closet here that connects with two doors. You see, like one door here, one door there, and they are all connecting. So we'll close one of them. And I plan to take down this wall here, move the toilet to that area, and then create more open space here and increase the shower size behind me. But this is up to the owners to decide. That was my recommendation. They're smart people. They will do whatever they think is best. But I think it's going to look really, really well. Now, the cool thing about this property is that it was completely off their search. That's one of the things that really give me some, I don't know, whether it's pride or just joy, when I have a client that is basically refreshing Zillow time and again, but still, they don't see the right things because this property wasn't inside the search criteria. But when I ran the numbers on the B&B, I actually showed them that with this B&B operating, this house is actually cheaper to purchase compared to other houses that were cheaper because of their purchasing power. Because this thing is going to cash flow relatively nicely. So basically, they paid a bit more than what we had planned from the get-go, but we got two houses. One of them is going to cash flow and the monthly payment is going to be reduced because of it. Does it make sense? I don't know if I ran too quickly with this one, but it kind of makes sense and it is crazy. The other thing that is crazy, I closed this house $150,000 less than asking, and they didn't ask that little, and you can know because of the price per square feet. So I closed this house for less than $300 per square feet, and in Breakaway, the other comp sold for $350 per square foot. So all in all, I am 100% excited for them. I'm excited for this house, and I'm excited to get new neighbors because they're going to live close to me. And now I have access to a freaking awesome pool and great kiddos. What do you think about a house? Do you like BOGO when you buy a house? Let me know. And if you're moving to Austin, if you consider to invest here, reach out to me. I love what I do, and I'm kind of good at it. I'll see you on the next one.